Hello, and welcome to Oracle Cloud GL Training. In today's session, we will be covering how to run a custom report like the custom trial balance. Okay, so as always, I'm starting from the home area, and you can get there by clicking on the home icon. And once you do that, you'll be presented with what areas of the system you have access to. So as you can see, I have my tiles here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Tools. And in Tools, now keep in mind, this is for any custom report or OTBI report. They're going to be in this area called Reports and Analytics under Tools. And when you look at the report listing, any report that says it's a custom BI publisher report or BI report or OTBI report, they're going to be located here under Reports and Analytics. So go ahead and click on Reports and Analytics. And once you do that, you're going to get to this screen here that has all kinds of things you can do with reports. So what you do is you hit Browse Catalog, and that'll take you to a directory structure that has folders that contain all of your reports. So what I always do here is, just so I can see it better, I click on that. That's just so you can see the directory structure a little bit better. So when you first get there, your directory structure will look something like this. You'll have a folder called My Folders and another folder underneath that called Shared Folders. So if you're ever saving anything or creating your own reports or doing things like that, a little more advanced, I think once you get to know the system better, you'll be doing that. But anything that you want to create on your own, you want to save it under My Folders. That way only you have access to it. If it's a report that's been created, like we've done for Kaplan, then you're going to find it under Shared Folders. This means that it's been saved for others to see. So under Shared Folders, under Custom, and then under Financials, and then under Global Reports, you'll find all of the reports that are created for Kaplan, and they're categorized into either the type of report or in some cases the business. But generally speaking, it's by the type of report. So to run I'm going to use the example of running the custom trial balance that we made for Kaplan. So this custom trial balance is called a BI publisher report, and that's a custom report. And you could tell the strictly custom reports by this icon here. It's the yellow icon that looks like a report. So all of those are what we refer to as BI publisher reports. The other ones that look like a dashboard, those are what we refer to as the OTBI reports. They're both located in the same area that we just walked through. So to run the trial balance, which is a basic report that I think everybody or most people will be running, you go under Global Reports, and under the folder GL Detail and Trial Balances, you just click right on the name of the folder. You don't need to, once you're down at the bottom, you don't need to click on the triangle. Once you do that, all of the reports in this folder will show up. So once you do that, the trial balance is the 313 report. You want to go ahead and click on Open. Okay, once you open the report, you're going to have your parameters on the top. So you have ledger name, period name, company, period name from and to, and then what currency you want to run it for. So you can go ahead and fill that out with your information. So if I wanted to run this for Kaplan US Ledger, I would pick KUSD. And if I wanted to run this for, let's say, February to February, and my company code, I want it to be company 16, and I want to run it for the US dollar. So I set my parameters and I click Apply. Okay, once this report is finished, you'll get a report completed, and it'll dump an Excel file in your download area. You can go ahead and click on the Excel, And now I have my report. So this is the GL trial balance. It basically lists out, based on my parameters that I chose, it'll list out the full chart of accounts, the account description, my beginning balance, my period activity, and my ending balance. It'll also report back to me my parameters that I chose. And that's it. This is a basic report that I think everybody will be running. It's a good report to use for reconciliations, to make sure that all of your other reports are tying back to this. So there you go. This is the custom GL trial balance report. And this is an example of how to run any custom BI or BI publisher report. So any report that you see on the report list that says BI publisher, that's how you're going to run it. Thank you.